Hello students, this is another explanation video of your another new chapter from your book Beehive, that is The Road Not Taken, which is a poem and it's written by Robert Frost. So let's move to the poem. Before moving to the main poem, let's see what is given here as a start of. This well-known poem is about making choices and choices that shape us. Okay, so this poem, which is a very famous poem, well known poem, it's very famous and popular poem, it is all about making choices. Okay, it will give you lesson also. Okay, and what is given here, that whatever we choose, whatever our choices makes a huge difference in our life. Suppose you have a lot of opportunities and it is asks you to choose one, and if you choose a great opportunity, then obviously you will be successful in your life. And if your choice is wrong, then what it will do? It will destroy you, right? It will destroy your life, it will destroy your time, everything. So here the road not taken is all about, right, the poet's choice, the how the poet made his choice. Okay, let's move to the poem. It's a very interesting poem. The road not taken. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveller long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. So one day the poet, he is going through a road, okay, which is all covered by a dense forest. Okay, घने जंगल थे उस रास्ते, dense forest. And then after he went by the road, and finally he met a point where the road diverged, मतलब कि जो एक रास्ता था वो दो टुकड़ों में बढ़ गया. Okay, diverged in a two road. Okay, now as the jungle, as the forest is all covered with dense forest, okay, all covered with trees, and everything is yellow, nature you can say. So he also at that time he went through that dense forest, and finally he got a two road. Okay, the one road from where he was going, finally it diverged into two road. Now diversion of two road means what? As he is a one person, so now he has to choose one road, he cannot go through both the road. दो रोड मिल चुके थे, अब चूँकि वो एक ही इंसान है तो उनको किसी एक रास्ते से जाना है, या तो पहले रास्ते से जाए या तो दूसरा रास्ता का चयन करे. तो इसके कारण कवि बहुत ही दुविधा में पड़ गए थे, क्योंकि उनको अभी दोनों रास्ते में से किसी एक रास्ता चुनना था, और वो अकेले वहाँ पे यात्री थे. ठीक है, देन कम टू द सेकेंड स्टैंजा. Then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. So after standing for a long time in the diversion, he was thinking that which road he has to choose. Okay, and after a lot of thought and lot of decisions, lot of things, he finally decided that I will choose the second road. तो उन्होंने दूसरे रास्ते का चयन किया. Why? Because it was grassy and wanted wear. क्योंकि दूसरा रास्ता उनको कैसा लग रहा था, एकदम उसकी जो घास थी, रास्ते की जो नीचे घास थी ना, वो बिल्कुल हरी भरी थी, और ऐसा लग रहा था कि उस रास्ते कोई नहीं गया होगा. ठीक है, कोई यात्री वहाँ से नहीं गुजरा. इट वॉज ग्रासी एंड वांटेड वेयर. वांटेड वेयर मीन्स वहाँ से किसी के भी कदम नहीं गए. ठीक है, सो इसीलिए उन्होंने दूसरा रास्ता चुना. ही चूज़ द सेकेंड रोड. Though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. तो जो पहला रास्ता था उनको वो कैसा दिखा, वहाँ के जो घास फूस थे वो थोड़े से मतलब कि सूख चुके थे. मतलब कि क्या होता है कि जब किसी एक रास्ते से जब बहुत सारे लोग आना जाना करेंगे, घास फूस वाले रास्ते से बहुत लोग जब हर रोज़ आना जाना करेंगे, तो क्या होगा, वहाँ की घास पीली पड़ जाएगी, है ना. हरी के जगह वो कदमों के कारण अदम वहाँ पे अगर किसी के फुट स्टेप हमेशा चलते रहेंगे तो वो घास क्या होता है, पीली हो जाएगी. सो द सेम थिंग हैपन with the first road. Okay, when he saw the first road, it was all worn out, the grasses are worn out, it become yellowish. Okay, and on the other hand, the second road, its grasses are fully green. Okay, and both that morning equally lay in leaves no stead had trodden back. Oh, I kept the first for another day. But what happened? The day when he was traveling, he found that he was the alone person in that jungle, okay, in that dense forest, and he realized that there is no fresh, footsteps are there. Means all the grasses in both the roads are looking little bit fresh, means maybe for last 2-3 days no one has traveled through both the road. Second road obviously no one has traveled with, but with the first road also no one has traveled. So once he thought that I should choose the first one, but again he thought that no, another day when I will come here another day, then I will go to the first one. अब अगर मैं किसी और दिन आऊँगा तो किसी और दिन मैं पहले रास्ते चाहूँगा, अब तो मैं दूसरे रास्ते ही से ही जाऊँगा. Yet knowing how way lead on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. जब उन्होंने दूसरे रास्ते का चयन किया तो उनके मन में काफ़ी शंका थी. ये थी कि पहले तो पता नहीं इस रास्ते से मैं अगर जाऊँगा तो मुझे पता नहीं क्या मिलने वाला है, ओके, आगे जाके क्या मिलेगा. तो में से जब उन्होंने सेकंड रास्ते का चयन किया तो उनके मन में काफ़ी डाउट्स थी, ठीक है. और उनको ये भी डाउट था, चूँकि पहले उन्होंने बोला कि पहले उन्होंने मतलब कि सोचा कि पहले रास्ते से मैं नहीं जाऊँगा, किसी और दिन चला जाऊँगा, तो उनको ये भी डाउट है कि मैं फिर से वापस आ पाऊँगा या नहीं. ओके, जो डिसीजन मैं आज लेने वाला हूँ उस डिसीजन के बाद क्या होने वाला है मेरे लाइफ में मुझे नहीं पता. आई डोंट नो एवर आई कम बैक और नॉट, इफ़ एवर इन द फ्यूचर आई विल कम बैक और नॉट, आई ऑल्सो डोंट नो. So that is why he has a lot of doubt, but still he had decided that he will choose the second one, and he chose the second road. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverge in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. तो कवि ये बोल रहे हैं कि जो डिसीजन मैं आज लूँगा वो डिसीजन का जो भी असर होगा वो मेरे फ्यूचर पे ज़रूर पड़ेगा. तो फिर वो बोल रहे हैं कि शायद आज के डिसीजन लेने के बाद मैं शायद इन फ्यूचर सोचूंगा कि मैंने एक ऐसा रास्ता का चयन किया, ऐसा रास्ता चुना, ओके, विच वॉज लेस ट्रैवल बाय, मतलब कि जिस रास्ते से लोग काफ़ी कम गए या तो नहीं भी गए होंगे, और उस रास्ते का चयन मैंने किया और वही डिसीजन मेरी लाइफ में सबसे बड़ा डिफरेंस लेकर आया. Obviously it is all about how, okay, this poem is this much, okay. Now what the poet want us to understand, what the poet want us to tell is that there are two kind of roads each and every person get in their life. One road is very very easy, and another road is little bit tough, where you will get lots of challenges. And but the poet want that we should not take the shortcut in our life for achieving anything, okay. Shortcut mean if it will give you short pleasure, okay, you will get short pleasure for your decision. Shortcuts नहीं लेने चाहिए. शॉर्टकट्स में क्या होता है कि जो भी हम डिसीजन लेते हैं तो उसमें जो खुशी होती है, जो सक्सेस होता है, वो शॉर्ट ही होता है फॉर द वेरी शॉर्ट टाइम. सो वी शुड ट्राई टू फेस द चैलेंजेस, ओके. तो हमें हमेशा जो प्रॉपर रास्ता होता है, वी शुड ऑलवेज चूज़ द प्रॉपर रोड, प्रॉपर डिसीजन, ओके, प्रॉपर वे. Even if there are a lot of challenges, even if there are a lot of hurdles are there, obstacles are there, we should have the guts to face each and everything in our life, and that is all life, okay. And that decision, whatever decision you will make, that will make difference in your life. That's why I say that if you make a good choice, you will be happier for the entire life, and if you will make a wrong choice, obviously you have to cry for your entire life. So it is up to you that you want to cry by taking shortcuts, or you want to face little bit of obstacles and challenges in your life and be happy for the whole life until your death. So this is what the poet want to explain us through this poem. And when the poet chose the second road, which was not traveled by any traveler, it means he had taken the road which is not easy, okay, which is not an easy road. He also don't know that how many obstacles he's going to face when he will pass through this road, okay. And after this decision, his life changed. He started to take tough decisions in his life. He never, whenever he got the opportunity, then he always not take a tough decision, okay. He always choose a tough path. He never choose the very simple path, because simple path is very simple, and the success whatever you will get, it is also for a short period of time, not for a long period of time, okay. So that is what all about this poem, The Road Not Taken. So thank you.